Hello, my name is Ben Root, and I'm with the Lean Learning Academy. And helping advance the careers of others doesn't have to be difficult, but learning to use Lean tools is a great place to begin. To help with that, we're offering our Introduction to Lean course, and for the end of the summer, we're offering the course free. This is an online course, but each week the student will be able to join a live stream with a Lean coach, which is also free, help answer questions and provide guidance for your Lean education. You'll see a link to this at the description box at the end of this video. And don't forget to click subscribe. One of our students was rather withdrawn and did not participate in any of the conversations during the training. But she kept coming to the training, and little by little, glad to open up with the class. Finally, after weeks of preparing for the class, for a final presentation, we conducted a report out of our Lean activity to upper management. At the end of the presentation, the managers had an opportunity to ask the students questions. One manager selected Sarah, that's not her real name, to tell of her experience with Lean. The other students held their breath, not knowing what Sarah might say. She began, I really didn't want to be in this class. I never was a good student, and just the thought of me being in a class almost made me sick to my stomach. But I made it through the first classes and was even selected to be on one of the teams. After several more meetings, I began to understand what the class was trying to accomplish. What did I learn from the training? I learned that I could not only be a student, but that I could be a good student. And guess what? I just enrolled in the Lean Team Leader Training Program. I don't know where it is all going to lead, but I do know this has been a great beginning. Sarah is not alone in her experience. Sometimes a simple thing like gaining the support from the team can do wonders to advance a team member's career. Perhaps you have team members or even entire teams that you would like to introduce Lean to. If so, we're offering a free Introduction to Lean course for those who want to develop Lean skills and advance their careers. Click the link in the description box to enroll a team member or an entire team. And I look forward to meeting you in the classroom. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you next time.